Hello, welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2018 320D M Sport Touring in black sapphire metallic. Alongside a superb exterior colour, you'll see this vehicle features a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit alongside a brand new set of the 20-inch CS style alloy wheels in frozen grey. Being a 2018 plate, it does also feature the facelift LED headlights. We've also got sun protection glazing on the rear windows. Down the side you can see it's a very clean and tidy example. Has got our satin side vinyls and the sidebars on the vehicle. Also comes with a full black Dakota leather, which for both drivers and passengers does come with the electric lumbar options. Features the fantastic 8-speed sports automatic gearbox and has got the lovely option high gloss interior trims, as you can see there. Moving on to the rear seats, where of course being a touring, we've got a very spacious, very comfortable 3-seat Isofix bench, folding armrests, and of course our darkened M Sport headlining. Before heading around to the rear again, we wanted to show you off those fantastic alloys. Really do finish this very well looking touring off nicely. At the back, being a touring, you do of course get a automatic opening and closing tailgate, rear parking sensors on this vehicle. Whilst you have a look around the boot area, it is of course worth mentioning we're now operating a click and collect service here at Your Next Car, and if you do want to find out more about not only that, you can of course find out more about this wonderful car by simply following the links down in the description, where that will take you through to our website, and from there you can view more about our new services in place, as well as all of the funding and pricing options on this vehicle. And we shall now go on board, and I'll take you through a couple of this vehicle's interior functions and features in a bit more detail, beginning with the facelifted BMW business navigation and media screen. Being the newer version of that, there is a few more features that are very important to everyday users of the car, including the fantastic Connected Drive Plus. This does give you access to online search, news and weather apps, all powered via Google. Great way to stay connected whilst out and about. You do have a really user-friendly system in terms of Satnav, Bluetooth telephone and audio, as well as a great wide array of multimedia inputs as well. The car itself has covered just over 25,000 miles. Does also come with both the cruise speed limiter options, voice and volume controls, and I did of course mention that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. So there is another look around a fantastic 2018 3 Series M Sport Touring. And again, if I did of course mention it, if you want to find some more information out about the car, simply follow the links in the description. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see yourselves very soon. Bye bye.